In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your iPhone speaker not working. It's a very simple method. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you might be finding out that your speaker is a bit muffled or you just can't hear anything, which obviously would be very, very frustrating. So this is what you want to do. So basically, the first thing you want to do is swipe down on the top right where your control panel is. Make sure your volume is, actually up and it's not like completely muted or anything. Second thing you want to do is make sure when you go to your main page that your Bluetooth isn't connected. So for example, if it's connected to AirPods or any headset or anything like that, that's why you might not be hearing anything out of your iPhone speakers. So just turn Bluetooth off for now and then try it obviously with your volume up. The third thing you want to do, let's say if you're expecting a phone call and you can't hear anything, is make sure that you are on ring mode and that you're not on silent mode by pressing the physical button on the very top left of your iPhone. But now what we want to do is we want to head on over to the settings application. Now, once you're here, it's going to look something like this, and you want to scroll down until you find sounds and haptics. You want to click that. It's right under notifications. You're going to see a lot more things. Then you want to make sure that your ringtone alerts are set to a volume that you choose and not just completely off. You can change it with buttons as well. And, make sure that you're not on silent mode, like I was saying. You can also scroll down and you can, change the volume limit if you want to as well. And the final thing that you want to do in settings is go over to accessibility, which is right under general. Once you're in accessibility, scroll down until you find audio and visual, which is under hearing. So once you press that, you want to make sure that mono audio is turned off. If you have it on, it basically makes it so that the left and right speakers of your iPhone play the same content, which is not what you want. You can also change the balance if you want to as well. But, I would recommend always keeping it on 0 and not, changing anything like that. But once you do all those things, you should have your iPhone speakers working. And if they are still not working, it's definitely worth getting your iPhone checked because it might be a physical thing. So, clean out the area where your speakers are. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.